Hi, Megan. Thanks for your week four reflection. You had a lot of great comments there. You talked about how you used iMovie for your movie trailer, and that is an awesome tool for iMovie. We have it on our laptops for our students, and so typically we have them do kind of like an introductory trailer to themselves at the beginning of broadcasting class. So it's kind of a neat way for them to kind of tell their classmates a little bit about themselves and uh, learn a little bit more about iMovie and just have a bunch of fun type of trailer type stuff with it. So that's great. Yeah, so you talked about doing stuff with your cyber classes and doing some different types of video. So there's so many different ways to use video, whether you're doing like editing yourself or basically kind of using some of the other video that people have already created. I thought it was great that you talked about edu creations, and that's a whole nother kind of level where you're really demonstrating stuff. So if you're doing a math problem and you actually want to be drawing on the board, that's one that I typically don't use a lot with history. Most of what I do is using Screencast-O-Matic with like a presentation that I created. So I might use the cursor tool to circle a thing on a map and sometimes like highlight things and point to things. But I don't do a lot of on-screen creating. But I know our math teachers do a ton of stuff with tools like that to actually show students how they're working on problems and things like that. So it sounds like you had a good experience using iMovie. If you have a Macintosh computer, I think iMovie is probably the easiest and best way to go just because there's so many ways you can use it. And it's very, very versatile. And I like how you said you also used it on your iPad, which is also a great tool. We have a lot of iPads in our district now, especially at the primary grades. And students, even at a younger age, can do some kind of simple things with editing with their iPads. So thanks for sharing, and thanks for all the different uses that you talked about. And can't wait to see your movie trailer. All right, thanks, Megan.